Hello everyone, let's start it. How to pay off debt fast in the USA. Debt is one of the biggest financial challenges many Americans face today. From credit card to student loans, it can feel overwhelming when bills keep piling up and interest rate make it harder to catch up. But the good news is that with the right plan, you can start paying of debit faster than you think. In this video, I will talking you through a simple step-by-step strategy to help you get out of debt and move closer to financial freedom in the USA. Face the numbers. The very first step is to know exactly how much debt you owe. Many people avoid looking at the total, but facing the numbers gives you clarity. Write down every debt you have: credit card, loan, student's loan, or car payments. Include the balance, minimum payment, and interest rates. Once you have everything in front of you, you will be able to create a focused plan. Stop adding a new debt. It's impossible to dig yourself out of a hole if you keep making it deeper. That means while you are working on paying off debt, avoid taking on new loans or sweeping your card in unnecessarily. Use cash or debit whenever possible and cut back on any non-essential expense that are keeping you stuck. Choose a debit repayment method. There are two popular strategies to pay off debt fast: the debit snowball and the debit avalanche. With the snowball method, you pay off the smallest debit first while making minimum payment on the rest. This gives you quick wins and motivation. With the avalanche method, you target the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you more money over time. Pick the method that best suits your personality, motivation, or math. Cut expense and free up cash. To pay off debt quickly, you need extra money to throw your balances. Start by reviewing your monthly expense. Cancel subscription you don't use. Cook at home instead of eating out, and shop smart with coupons or discounts. Even saving $100 to $200 extra per month can speed your debt of payoff journey significantly. Increase your income. Something cutting expense isn't enough, especially if your debt is large. That's why boosting your income can be a game changer. Consider that hustle like a freelancing delivery service or selling some set online. You can also ask for overtime or a rise at work. Every extra dollar should go directly toward for your debit repayment. Negotiate interest rate. High interest is that make a debit grow so quickly. Call a for credit card company or lender and ask if they can lower your interest rate. They say yes, especially if you have been a loyal customer. You could also consider transforming your balance to a 0% APR credit card or consolidating debit with a lower interest personal loan. Build a small energy fund. While it may sound strange to save money while paying off debt, an emergency fund of even $500 to $1,000 can stop you from relying on credit card when unexpected expenses come up. Without it, you will keep falling back into debt whenever something goes wrong. Stay consistent and motivated. Paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small wins along the way, like paying off your first credit card or reducing your balance by 10%. Track your progress with apps or spreadsheets to stay motivated. Remember, every payment gets you one step closer to financial freedom. So, that's the step-by-step guide on how to pay off debt fast in the USA. First, face your numbers, then stop adding new debt. Pick a repayment method, cut expense, increase your income, negotiate interest, save more emergencies, and stay motivated. If you follow this step consistently, you will be shocked at how quickly your debts start shrinking. If you found this helpful video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who's struggling with debt. Thanks for watching our video.